Hello, this is Bill Johnson, and I would like to take just a second to talk to you a little bit about where to find some of our sports schedules and activities that are going on for this summer and for this fall. We've had a few questions here in the athletic office about, hey, what's the football schedule like for next year? What's the summer schedule like? So I want to show you a couple places where that might be helpful to you on our school website. So first of all, if you go to usd211.org, there is some there we have put on there the all the summer activities on this calendar. So the first thing that pops up is you will see, and we are in June 7th right now. So activities are in full bore right now that's going on. So feel free to get on there. And this is all the things that have been scheduled for this summer through June, July, and August. The rest of the calendar is not on there yet, but we'll be adding that on there next week sometime. A couple things, we have different activities. Jackie Stiles is coming to Norton, which is a big event coming up this Friday. So if you're a basketball person or have kids that want to do that, please do that, as well as many other things. As you can see, there are a lot of things our kids can get involved with, or they can, these are all optional. They're not required by CASA rule or anything. So please um, be aware of that. Another thing I want to draw your attention to, if you would go into our schools and the individual, if you click on that, and this is running a little slow because I'm videotaping it here. So I'm going to go to the high school site. There's a few things on there. If you miss the physicals that we offered free of charge here at our school, you can come down to the athletic page, click on athletics, and it should take you um, directly to a page which you can see schedules for the fall coming up. Right here is a fall schedule. If you click on that, this is what will pop up. I already have it popped up, so I'm going to go directly to that. So all of our fall schedules that are going on can be viewed there. I know some people are wondering, hey, when are these things going on? So you can go and look at that. The same thing, you can go and see the junior high. If you choose the junior high school building and their fall schedules, this is all the schedules for the junior high, fall, winter, and spring. But let's just go back to this. In addition to the sports schedules, if you scroll down just a little bit farther, like I said, if you missed our physical time, you can go right on here and you can print out this brand new physical form. There's also a concussion form that has to be filled out and turned back into us. We did that. We did both of those of things at the end of the school year in May. And then we will be showing this concussion video to you in August, right before our sports start. But that's another thing that has to be done before your kids can participate in our athletics. So, just a brief. While we don't have kids in our building, we're planning for the next year. So there's things that are already on our website that you can utilize. If you have any questions, our athletic department will be available here in the full month of June. Just stop in or give us a call and we'll be glad to help you out. Thank you very much for watching.